ice fishing today, me and Josh back there. We're going to do a little bit of ice fishing. I don't know how thick the ice is. Pretty sure it's about 4 to 5 inches, hopefully, so we don't fall through. So we'll keep you updated. We're going to go out here, and I haven't been catching much lately, so God only knows if we're even going to catch anything. But I'm going to vlog and put this video up, because, yeah, I haven't been posting much lately, so we'll catch you out there. Hey, what's up, guys? So we just got out here, started drilling a bunch of holes everywhere. So, we're going to start setting tip-ups up, and we'll see if we can get it. I don't know, I hope we get something. So we're going to go and start setting tip-ups. So. Alright, guys. So, we haven't caught anything yet. We're hoping. Got all the tip-ups. There's Josh jigging. All that stuff. So, I'm jigging over here. We've marked fish on the Markham. But they aren't biting. There's somebody over on this black ice here. So, I don't know who it is. I don't know if they're going to catch anything, but hope for the best. So, he's over there. Right there. So, yep, we're just sitting out here and doing our we got a wrap up around 5:30. So hopefully we will catch at least one fish. My buddy over there has never been ice fishing before, so yeah, I'll come back at you with an update once later tonight. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Alright, I'm going to start drilling some holes and doing a little bit of jigging while I'm hole hopping here, so yeah, hopefully we'll find some fish. Yeah, at least a fish. I have no clue where they are. And I live on this lake. Yeah, he says they're in the water. We're out here. Alright, guys, just got holes drilled, and of course it's 5 o'clock already. Gotta be packing up around 5:15. So yeah, spend a couple minutes at each hole and then we'll pack up. So, yep, that's the plan. I'll come back at you if we start catching anything. Otherwise it's gonna be pretty freaking boring video. I don't know. Alright, I'll come back at you later. What's up, guys? So we just got back from the lake. Unfortunately we didn't catch anything. So that's fishing for you. I'm planning on going sometime this week, later this week or this weekend. I'm gonna go to a different spot, so hopefully we'll catch some fish here eventually. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Sorry it was boring, but you know, got a couple people asking for vlogs, so I'll start doing them a little more, and hopefully we'll get some good content out. So please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it when you guys comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Keeps me motivated to do more videos and stuff. So, yep. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.